Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello there, my name is Christina. So for today's video is going to be a product review slash unboxing. I want you to know guys that the Lavievert Company was very kind enough to send me a beautiful bag that you're about to see. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so here's the Lavievert. So let's go ahead and open this package right here. So guys, this is how it looks like. There's a logo. It says Lavievert. So we'll start from the front side. So this right here, there's just a pocket, and there's a pocket, there's a two pocket right here as well, and there's a big pocket and it has a zipper in it. On this side right here guys, we'll take a look inside. We'll see how big it is. So can you see it guys? So there's a small pocket right here, and we'll take a look on the other side. So on the second pocket, there's a 1 2 3 4, so there's a 4 garter where you can put your like your Colgate, toothbrush, and there's a small pocket down here as well. Okay, so we'll take a look how big it is inside. So let's pull this right here. So we'll start over here. So there's a huge compartment inside, and there's a three pockets and 3 small pockets upside, and then it has a logo in it and it says Lavievert. Then next, on the side, as you can see guys, there's a 6, it's like a garter where you can put your makeup brushes here. Right there, it's very beautiful. Next guys, in addition, there's a hook where you can hang up in the bathroom or in a hotel. That way you can access easily. Can you see it guys? It's right here. And next guys, there's a pocket again right here. It has a zipper in it. It has a plastic pocket, and this one guys is water resistant material made of premium nylon, which is durable. So this Lavievert bag, this is perfect size if you were traveling for a few weeks. It has a lot of pockets and storage space. I'm a makeup artist, and this is perfect for all of my everyday makeup and brushes, etc. And I also love the color in it. Product features: it is water resistant material and padding for protection, huge capacity compartment and multi-pocket for storage, zippered side pockets for extra storage, then transparent zip pocket for visibility. Then the last is hook and handle for easy hanging. So let's go ahead and put some items here. We'll see how much we can pack in this bag. So guys, I already put some items here and we'll see what's inside. So let's go ahead and open this zipper right here. So we will start on this pocket and front. So from here I have my pin and my eyeliner, lip liner, and then on the second pocket on this side I have my, what's in here, my gel eyeliner. I got 2 right here, and then but there's more space right here, guys, that you can put whatever you want. See, I didn't put some stuff right here, but there's more room here. So we'll proceed in the center, in the huge compartment. So first I have here my perfume, and then my lotion, then I have my foundation, my folic acid, my mirror, my contour, my e.l.f. bronzer palette, and I got here Modern Renaissance. So all my makeup stuff are fit here, this right here, and I got 2 brushes that I put in the big compartment. So next, guys, from this side here I have my night skincare. I have 4 of them, and I have here my eyeshadow and e.l.f. But there's more room here, so you can put a lot of stuff as well. Then next, guys, we'll proceed to the side pocket right here. So we will start here in the first pocket. So from the first pocket I got my foundation here. I have pin, I got my highlighter, lip liner, eyebrow shaping, my mascara, my the Easy Brow Tinted Fiber Gel, then my concealer. Then yeah, you can put a lot of stuff as well right here because there's a lot of rooms, there's more rooms. The next one, we'll take a look in the next pocket. So from here I have my foundation, this one right here, this one. So yeah, you can put a lot of stuff from here as well. Then next, guys, we'll take a look in this left side, and we're gonna take a look first in the first pocket. From the first pocket I have all my brushes, makeup brushes here, and it's really fits here, and there's a lot of rooms here if you would like to put a lot of stuffs here. And then we'll proceed to the next bucket. So from here I got my Earthspan loose powder, I got my beauty blender, I got my eyelash curl, I got my setting spray, and yeah, like I told you guys, there's more room here. Then next, guys, I have here, I got here my makeup brushes, and then inside of this bucket I got my makeup stuff. I have here my eye cream primer, eyelash curl, my e.l.f. mascara, and my setting spray. So like I told you guys, you can put a lot of stuff right here because there's a lot of rooms. So guys, all my stuff are fit on this beautiful bag, Lavievert. Like I told you, you can put a lot of stuff if you would like, and because there's a lot of rooms, there's a big compartments, there's a lot of pockets. I really love this beautiful bag, and this is perfect when you are traveling, camping, biking, and etc. This would be perfect for you. Good thing of this Lavievert bag is there's a hook where you can hang up in the bathroom or in the hotel. The way you can access easily. So guys, for me, I really like this Lavievert Toiletry Bag, and this one is perfect when you are traveling, hiking, biking, camping, etc. And this one is available in Amazon for only $16.99. So if you want to order, I will leave the link in the description box down below. So yeah, that would be all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.